In recent years, pet ownership has surged in popularity in Hong Kong, with many residents considering their pets as beloved family members. However, when couples face the challenges of divorce, the question of what happens to these pets can become a contentious and emotional issue. Pets play a significant role in the lives of many individuals and families in Hong Kong. They offer companionship, emotional support, and a sense of routine. For most, pets are more than just animals. They are integral members of the family. This deep emotional bond can complicate divorce proceedings. When a couple separates, the thought of losing a pet can evoke feelings of grief and anxiety. Shared experiences, such as adopting a pet together, training it, or simply enjoying its company, creates a strong attachment that is difficult to sever. For some individuals, the prospect of losing a pet can be as painful as the dissolution of the marriage itself. In Hong Kong, the legal framework surrounding pet custody is relatively straightforward. Pets are generally viewed as property. This categorization means that custody arrangements for pets often follow the same principles as dividing other assets during a divorce. Unfortunately, this can lead to disputes, particularly with both parties have a strong emotional attachment to the pet. When a couple divorces, the court will typically classify pets as property, which can complicate custody discussions. Unlike child custody, which considers the best interest of the child, pet custody may hinge on who purchased the pet or who has been the primary caregiver. Couples may find it beneficial to negotiate custody arrangements amicably, perhaps agreeing on shared visitation rights or co-parenting plans for the pet. However, these informal agreements are not legally binding unless they are formalized in court. One way to address the complexities of pet ownership in the event of a divorce is to include provisions in a prenuptial agreement or prenuptial agreement. These legal documents can outline how pets will be treated in the event of a separation, potentially reducing conflict and providing clarity. Benefits of including pets in prenups are clarity and peace of mind. By specifying pet custody arrangements in advance, couples can avoid contentious disputes later on. This can provide both parties with peace of mind and reduce emotional strain during divorce proceedings. Emotional consideration. A prenup can acknowledge the emotional significance of the pet, allowing couples to express their intentions regarding care and custody in a respectful manner. Legal framework. While pets are classified as property, having a prenup can provide a framework for how the pet should be treated, addressing issues such as living arrangements and financial responsibilities. In addition to emotional and legal factors, practical considerations also come into play when determining pet custody. After a divorce, individuals may face challenges in finding pet-friendly living arrangements, especially in a densely populated city like Hong Kong. This can significantly impact custody decisions and the overall well-being of the pet. Financial implications are also a consideration. The costs associated with pet care, such as food, medical bills, and grooming, can add up. Couples may need to discuss how these expenses will be handled post-divorce, which could further influence custody arrangements.